This is food day 727 of eating mostly animal foods. Butter is one of my favorites. For breakfast, I put cream cheese with some butter, cheese, and fermented vegetables. Then I went to the pond to check on the ducks. Saw some decent-sized fish swimming around, and then made some burgers up for lunch. I put a bunch of butter with them. And then we were working on taking down some dead trees. This was one of the largest trees we took down, and it's a dead walnut tree. It had two different sides. One was leaning the correct way away from the fence, so it was relatively easy to cut it down and not have it fall on the fence. This one was leaning hard directly at the fence, and we tried to pull it to the side, but it didn't work. But luckily I had some chuck roast waiting for me when I got back to the cabin.